Find the solution of linear congruence 12x congruent to 6 mod 21. Here first take the given data 12x congruent to 6 mod 21. Call this as equation number 1. So obviously this is a linear congruence of the form that is ax congruent to b mod m. Call this equation as equation number 2. Comparing equation 1 and equation 2, we get a value of a as 12, b is 6 and m value is 21. Next step, we have to find the GCD of a and m. That is, you have to find the GCD of 12 and 21. That means you have to divide 21 by 12. We know that 12 into 2 is 24, which is greater than 21. So we have to take a lesser value. So that 12 into 1 is 12. Therefore, we get 21 minus 12 is 9. 9 is a remainder. Next step, we have to divide this divisor value by the remainder value. That is, we have to divide 12 by 9. We know that 9 into 1 is 9. So 12 minus 9 is 3. So 3 is a remainder. Next step, we have to divide this divisor value by remainder 3. So we know that 3 into 3 is 9. So 9 minus 9 we get a value of 0. So we have to stop the fraction method here. So we can conclude that the GCD of 12 and 21 is 3, which is equal to D. And obviously this D is nothing but 3 divides B value 6. 3 divides 6. Therefore the equation has solution. Also D value, that is the GCD of 12 and 21 value is 3. Also we have to note that in previous problem we get a value of GCD as 1. So the equation, that is linear congruence, has unique solution, but in this problem the GCD of 12 and 21 is 3. Therefore we can conclude that for this linear congruences it has 3 solutions. That is, for equation number 1 it has 3 congruent solutions. So we have to find 3 congruent solutions for this problem. So as before, we have to divide throughout equation 1 by D is equal to 3. We get here equation 1 is 12x congruent to 6 mod 21. If we divide throughout equation by 3, that means 12 by 3 x congruent to 6 by 3 mod 21 by 3. Therefore we get an equation as 4x congruent to 2 mod 7. Call this as equation number 3. Next step, we have to find the integer value of x, so that we get a solution for a linear congruences. So we have to apply the definition of congruence here. Here 4x congruent to 2 mod 7 is nothing but 7 divides 4x minus 2, or we can take this as 4x minus 2 is equal to 7 into some integer k. So take this 2 value to the right hand side and 4 goes to the denominator. Therefore we get a value of x as 7k plus 2 by 4. Next step, as before, we have to substitute k value as 0, 1, 2, 3 and we have to find an integer value of x. That is, x is equal to some value that belongs to integer z. So put k is equal to 0. If we substitute k value as 0 means 7 into 0 is 0 plus 2 by 4. Therefore we get x is equal to 1 by 2 does not belongs to integer z. So substitute k value as 1. So 7 into 1 is 7 plus 2 is 9 by 4. That is, x is equal to 9 by 4 does not belongs to integer z. So substitute k value as 2. We get 7 into 2 is 14 plus 2 is 16 by 4. We know that x is equal to 16 by 4. 4 1s are 4 4s are. Therefore we get x value as 4. That value belongs to integer z. Therefore we can conclude that x is congruent to 4 mod 7 is a solution for equation 3. So here we obtain a solution for this congruence, that is 4x congruent to 2 mod 7. That is, x congruent to 4 mod 7 is a solution for this equation 3. Next step, one solution we obtained, another 2 solution we have to find. For that, consider this x value as 4. In next step, we have to take this x value as 4 as x naught is equal to 4. Here we obtain one solution, that is x value is 4. So we have to consider this value as x naught. Next step, we have to take x naught is equal to 4 and we have to find the remaining 2 solution by the formula x naught plus m by d and x naught plus 2m by d. We already discussed in a working procedure to find the solution of a D-congruent method. We already discussed in a working procedure. We are finding the D-congruent solution means the formula is given by x naught plus m by d, x naught plus 2m by d, etc. up to x naught plus d minus 1 m by d. So one solution is x naught is equal to 4. So to find another 2 solution, we have to apply the formula as take 2 formula, that is x naught plus m by d and x naught plus 2m by d. If we have to find the remaining 3 solution means we have to take another value, that is x naught plus 3m by d and so on. So here we have to find the remaining 2 solution means we have to take the formula x naught plus m by d and x naught plus 2m by d. Substitute x naught value is 4 and m value is 21 and d value is 3. We get here x naught is 4 plus m value is 21. This is because from the given linear congruence we know that m value is 21 and d is 3. So we can substitute here 21 by 3, 3 ones are 3 sevens are, so we get 7 plus 4 as 14. Also we have to substitute x naught and m and d value over here. We get as here x naught is 4 plus 2 into m is 21 by 3. Therefore we get a value of this is here 3 ones are 3 sevens are, 7 plus 4 is 11. Here also 3 ones are 3 sevens are, 7 into 2 is 14. 14 plus 4 is 18. Therefore we get a value of this is 11 and this value is 18. Therefore we can conclude that the solution of an equation 1, the given equation 1 are x is congruent to 4 mod 21, x is congruent to 11 mod 21, x is congruent to 18 mod 21. Here we have to write the solution like this. Here we are writing a solution for a given linear congruence, that is 12x congruent to 6 mod 21. This is a given linear congruence. You have to write the solution for this congruence, not for this congruence. So the solution of an equation 1 are x is congruent to 4 mod 21, x is congruent to 11 mod 21 and x is congruent to 18 mod 21. So these are all the solution for the given linear congruence, that is 12x congruent to 6 mod 21. This complete the problem.